Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and I am unlocking all the doors. It's something I do every morning when we have construction people coming over. It's actually quite a few things that we have to unlock. I have a bunch of keys to do all that with a color code them because it's so confusing. But we came back last night. We went into Merida to do some shopping while they did a lot of the concrete sawing to put these in. So when I came home, it was pretty dark, but this was channeled out. So this is really the ways either they're using a saw basically to cut this out and stick in the river stone. So we have that. This is the street door. Every 3 meters or so, about 10 feet for Americans. And we actually had to buy some more rock. And we came into Merida yesterday to do that. And so that's what they did. Practically, probably all day was cut this all out. But it just looks really nice. And it's great because you want drainage. And that's what these are for. But it has a really nice look as well. And this is really easier to, or it was one huge thing and then cut them out. It's easier to do it that way. So I've been told. It's a rather windy day. That we have wind today. It's going to come and finish some things off. They also finished this pool deck here and finally. And so we have this river walk all around the pool and elsewhere to make sure we have enough drainage in it. We'll probably put river walk here as well, just like we did over on that one. And here, I think we're actually going to do some plants, some golden pothos or something like that, and probably over there as well, and over by that bar area. But they did it all the way around. Let me show you some more of it. It was a good idea that I left yesterday. It was probably just going to be relays all day. But here's another view. Really great, nice, clean. And then they did it also down to beach. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Here. And then we got our wash station for our feet right here. Now, another project we had them work on is we got rid of some of these posts on this fence. And when we moved in, it was all posts. You literally could not see the ocean. And now we fixed some of that and 3 months ago, and then we just had a little bit more. So now we have some room. If we go back here on the plaza, here's my plaza, and I have a seat here. This is my view when I'm reading in the morning and whatnot. And now I can actually see more. I still have these posts, but it's not so bad. That's what I wanted. We have thought about doing a whole glass. Our contractors told us not really practical. I'm not sure exactly why, but so we're probably going to just leave it at it's one and another fence to keep out the dogs, so that they don't come into our yard. And that's the main purpose of the beach. But we have a security camera system. We have locks on everything. So we're pretty secure. And so the only main issue, I think, really around here is dogs. Make sure they don't come into our yard at all. So let's see. From here, that's what they did yesterday. They're coming back today. And I know they think they have 1 or 2 days left. We'll see if that's true. It could be from what I'm seeing. And I've also been told the pool house is done. It's worked. The pool works. A tree trimmer is coming today to trim these 4 tall trees. These trees around the pool are going to be very thoroughly pruned at the top. And that's for things not falling into the pool and for bugs as well. And then a fumigator is going to finish off fumigating these trees because there are bugs, ants, rats, and snakes can be up there. They're going to fumigate for that, I think, next week or so. And at that point, once that's done, we're going to build. We're going to try to do something on the steam room. The missing door is going to be about another 2 weeks. So I think we're going to try to drape something over, just partially lock it. I think that'll be enough to actually use the steam room. So that'll be nice to do as soon as the construction people give us our privacy and finish up and leave. That'd be fantastic. And so we're looking at being very close to being done. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Leave a positive comment if you're enjoying this vlogging series. I would really appreciate that. If you have a question about doing a home renovation in Mexico, and especially on the beach, let me as well. I'll try to answer in a comment or maybe even a video. And hit that bell notification so you get notified of all the videos when they come out. And also, hey, why don't you join the weekly newsletter I have over at expatrebel.com/newsletter. I send it out every Saturday, and it has a lot of expat news and things that expat and people that want to be an expat need to know. So that's it from now from Mexico. I'll talk to you later. Bye.